What do you do on the weekend?
This Saturday, I'm doing the gardening with my father. Then on Sunday, my parents are taking me to Paris to see the greyhound racing. It's my birthday present.
I'm going to my guitar club this Saturday. Then on Sunday, I'm going to the Nile River with my parents to watch the international firework competition. You can watch it live on TV.
Our school is visiting a fire station in the neighborhood this Saturday. It's a field trip for our project. We're talking to firefighters and checking out different fire trucks. On Sunday, I'm going to the movies with my friends. That's great.
On Saturday, I'm helping my parents in the field as usual. Then on Sunday, we're singing at our village's choir club. It's so exciting. Thanks for watching.